Are you dreaming of a new shed? Maybe a playhouse for your children? But you don't want the hassle of pouring concrete.
Delivery.
Look no further with the Gorilla-based DIY ground screw installation kit. Say goodbye to heavy digging and messy concrete with a kit that anyone can use. From simple drilling to lightweight but firm ground screws, we have everything covered for you to build that ideal base. By following the simple instructions, you will have this base built in no time. No machines, no back-breaking work, just you, the kit, and a few easy turns to get everything sitting just right. Secure, solid, done in minutes. And just like that, the magic is ready. Built for the moments that matter. A simple kit designed for you by Gorilla Base.